Puppies are now 3 weeks old. In the front here, yawning away, we have Nurse, the little brindle female. Over here we have Needham, little brindle boy. We had to hire the gate at the welcome box because they tried to jump over. Alors, nos petits chiots ont maintenant 3 semaines. On a ici Mademoiselle Nours, petite femelle bringée. On a Needham ici, le petit mâle bringé. Hi, sweetie. Et là-bas qui pleure, on a Noisette. Couche, Ziva. Noisette qui a la bédaine pleine. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Come on, sweetie girl. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Don't cry, puppy girl. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. It's okay. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Everybody's here. Come on, little girl. Come on, little girl. Come on, sweetie. Alors, c'est notre petite Noisette qui est encore toute endormie. Couche-toi, Ziva, qu'on puisse les voir. Couche, ma belle. Couche. Allez. Allez, grosse fille. Les petites dents commencent à sortir. On a une petite dent ici. Little teeth are starting to come out. We have one little tooth over here. Bon, bonjour Noisette. Bonjour ma chérie. Noisette est plus petite que les autres, mais elle va très bien. Elle marche comme les autres. Elle est en pleine forme. Elle crie aussi fort que les autres. Et elle joue beaucoup avec son frère. C'est vraiment la belle complicité entre ces deux-là. Little Noisette, the little fawn girl, and the little brindle boy have a very special connection. He's very, very sweet with her. He takes care of her. And here's Nose. So they're just about to fall asleep because they just drank. They're a little groggy here. So puppy's 3 weeks old. Alors nos petits bébés à 3 semaines. Hey, big girl. Hey, my little teddy bear. Yes, little teddy bear. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, mon garçon? Hey, puppy. It seems that we're going to have one dark brindle and one pale brindle. Little Needham here is looking a little like on the pale side. You have to poo, eh? That's what's bothering you. You have to poo, puppy boy. Alors voilà, c'est ça.